What's it? It's just like a repossessed car, like it wasn't paid for or whatever. Yeah. Okay, I got you. Okay, let's get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Why not?
Because I'm in the car and it's on, and it's illegal to tow a car that's on.
That's
with
not.
a person in it.
That's not
Yes,
true. Not
yes, it is.
Okay, so listen. So.
No.
Oh. So there's the only option.
I haven't done anything illegal, and this car is under registration, and there's nothing wrong with this car.
Okay, so listen. There's
right from the start, this situation is already loaded with tension. What looks like a routine repossession is about to turn into something much bigger. Officers are responding to a civil issue, a vehicle being taken due to non-payment. But the moment someone refuses to exit the car, it shifts fast. Now it's no longer just about property. It's about compliance with lawful orders. And that's where things can spiral quickly. The big question here is, will this stay a verbal standoff, or is it about to turn physical?
the only way we're going to be able to deal with this is you're going to have to come out of the car, okay?
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
So you're just going to sit in the car all day?
I'm in the car, it's on. He's towing an illegal car. He's doing an illegal tow.
He's not.
Yes, he is.
He's not.
He hasn't shown any documents, and I don't own, this car is not owned to anybody but a Paul Wilson.
Who's Paul Wilson?
Paul Wilson is the person who is registered to this car.
Okay, so then get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Let me see your ID.
No.
You're not going to show me that either? Okie dokie. Well, get a nice blue team here. Just want to see the VIN real quick. That's it. CK. Alright, I see it. That's the same car. Just so, because I'm about to have to rip out of the car here. Just making sure. So, this car has not been paid for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cargo.
Okay. And you were just driving and it pops up, or?
So yeah. So the cameras. He found it at Walmart.
It pops. Yeah. It goes up with the.
He sat with it at Walmart, and he got the order. And when I was almost there, he drove here. And he wants to get out, and I can.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just getting all my ducks in a row before I, Okay. I'm gonna get her out. I'm just waiting for another person. We'll take her out. All right. I'll try to do this without damaging the vehicle, but what it is. Yep. I'm giving you another command to get out of the vehicle. If you do not get out of the vehicle, I will be extracting you from the vehicle.
Yeah, it's illegal.
It's not. I'm giving.
I haven't broken any
I'm letting
laws.
you know. I'm giving you 4 commands now.
I have not broken any laws. I'm parked in my car.
Ma'am?
It's running.
Ma'am?
It's running. No. This is an illegal tow.
I'm just giving you the warning, right?
It's illegal tow.
It is not.
Yes, it is.
I verified everything.
No,
I need you out of the car.
This is an illegal tow.
You are subject to arrest if you do not get out of the car.
Sir, this is an illegal tow.
Okay. I've given you way too many warnings.
No, sir.
I have.
This is an illegal tow.
Okay.
And you will be responsible for your actions.
Okay.
You do an illegal tow. He hasn't shown any documents, and there are no payments owed on this vehicle, sir.
I'm letting you know.
Sir, you're doing an illegal tow.
Okay.
You're doing an illegal tow.
This can be all resolved if you just get out of the car.
I haven't broken any laws here.
Okay.
I've broken no laws.
All
You
right.
as an official should know this.
Okie dokie.
Where's your badge?
I'm literally wearing it.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Right here.
That's not a metal badge.
Right here.
Okay. So you're an official.
I sure am.
Okay.
And I'm asking you to get out of the car.
Truth and high honor, no?
Okay.
Truth and
I'm
high
not going to
honor.
argue.
Truth and high honor, no? Has he showed you any documentation? He hasn't showed you any documentation, sir. Truth and high honor, sir.
You're going to have to get out of the car.
Truth and high honor. Hold your truth and high honor, sir. Hold your truth and high honor.
Are you going to unlock the car?
Sir, hold your truth and high honor.
Are you going to unlock the car?
Hold your truth and high honor, sir.
Okie dokie. Car's locked. Carino's on the way. I'm going to go passenger side, baton, to break.
This is a critical turning point. The officer has now clearly transitioned from voluntary compliance to forced extraction, and that shift is legally significant. After multiple warnings, the refusal to exit the vehicle establishes probable cause for obstruction. Notice how the officer calls for backup and even considers breaking the window. That's a use of force escalation, but still within protocol when a subject refuses lawful orders inside a locked vehicle. Meanwhile, the suspect's language shifts into phrases like truth and high honor, which can signal ideological resistance rather than situational misunderstanding. That's important, because it tells officers negotiation may no longer work. At this stage, hesitation can actually increase risk. So here's the question. Once it reaches this point, is there any realistic path left that avoids falls?
The window to get her out, she's not unlocked in the car, and she's literally super uncooperative. So from when I do that, I'll be able to unlock it. If you wanted to stay on the driver's side, just so you can grab the handle real quick, or however you want to do it. But I think...
Sergeant Gilbert?
Yeah, he said she's got to get out of the car. So he doesn't have a key. I mean, just double check. Hey, you don't have any... Okay. I've given her like 10 commands, dude, so...
And we need to come out of the car.
No, I'm not coming out of the car.
Out of the car.
Sir, I have not broken any law.
Okay.
I have not broken... Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my Lord. I've done
Stay
nothing.
right here.
I've done nothing wrong here,
Keep
sir.
your hands behind your back.
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong, sir. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, stop resisting,
I'm
ma'am.
not resisting.
Stop pulling away.
I am not pulling away.
You're pulling away. Stop.
No, I'm not, sir. Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? Divine.
And do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Any knives, guns, or anything like that? Come with me.
3 up to 2. Reclass of signal 19, I'll have a white.
3 Alpha 29 safety. 1050 MBT, 8000 B line, right to
3 Alpha 29, signal 51.
So in this is my last, I think it's
Oh, stay like that for me. Nothing else anywhere, right? All right, spread your feet for me real quick. All right, have a seat. Thank you.
This situation is a textbook example of how quickly a civil issue can escalate into a criminal one. What began as a vehicle repossession, typically a non-violent process, turned into an arrest due to refusal to comply with lawful police commands. Legally, once officers verified the repossession and issued repeated orders to exit the vehicle, the suspect continued refusal crossed into obstruction. The physical removal, while forceful, followed a clear escalation ladder: verbal commands, warnings, backup coordination, and then action. One of the biggest takeaways here is how misunderstandings about legal rights can actually make situations worse. Knowing when to comply, even if you plan to challenge things later in court, can prevent charges like this entirely.